Pierrefonds is about 50 minutes north to Paris, and it has a big castle. As we got close to the entrance, we were worried it wouldn't be closed again. But it was open! And it didn't cost me anything to get in. We saw our campervan in the distance. Heyo, campervan here, subscribe! My wheelchair was okay on the cobbles, but I could only get into one room, and I needed my wheelchair lifting up a step to get in. The only thing left to do was get my photo taken. So I activated Dad Cam to see the rest of the castle. And I went off to smile for my photos. Led to stairs down to a crypt. Time to activate Dad Cam again! Glad I didn't go down there, too creepy. And that was it. So after all this time, I really couldn't do much at Pierrefonds. But at least I saw more of it this time, and it was free!